Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Chinese tomato salad. This recipe is very easy, and the tomato salad will turn out to be super tasty. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start. Step 1 is to choose the right type of tomato. Comparing these two, we will prefer the less red one. This type of tomato contains high vitamins and is very suitable for making salad. Now we need to cut the tomato into thin slices. Put them onto a plate. Put some sugar onto the tomatoes. A very important step here is to add a little bit salt onto the surface. Trust me, salt will make the sugar taste sweeter. It is ready. Can you believe it is this easy? Try it and I think you will love it too. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you soon.